What is your job? Who is responsible for this task? Where are you from? Where is the meeting? When is your break? When is our next lesson? Why is it important? How is your day? How is your family? How is your new job? How is your health?
Child, children. Person, people. Man, men. Woman, women. Foot, feet. Tooth, teeth. Work. Clean. Cook. Help. Use. Open. Close. Carry. Fix. Bring. Take. Ask. Answer. Show. Explain. Buy. Deliver. Check. Wait. Repeat. Can you please help me? Can you please wait for me? Can you please give me a minute? Can you please explain it again? Can you please call me later? No problem. Anytime. Sure. Of course. No worries. No rush. Take your time. You're grand. I don't mind. I'm on it. When can you start work? Who can I ask for help? What time can we meet? Who can help us with the project? Who can show me the way? When can I call you back? 6:05. 7:10. 7:15. 8:20. 9:25. 10:25. 11:30. 1:25. 2:20. 2:45. 3:10. 4:10. 5 o'clock. 6 a.m. 6 p.m. 12 a.m. 12 p.m.